Hey guys, welcome back. It is Insect Week. We're here with our Marcfirst kitchen, and I have my special guest. What's your name?
It's Matt.
And Staci. Matt and Staci are here to do our snack.
Matt's here.
Yes, I am here. Okay, so we're going to start with our strawberry. We are making a strawberry ladybug. So I'm just going to cut the green part off because we don't need that. And then we're going to cut our strawberry in half. Each strawberry will make 2 ladybugs. So we take our blueberry then and we put it right in front of our strawberry. Okay. Set this off to the side. And then we just use this dark gel. And we're going to make a line down the middle of our strawberries. And then we're going to put our dots on it, like the ladybug's spots. And then we can draw some legs out here. Bugs have 6 legs. How you tell them apart from spiders, because spiders have 8. Put a couple antennae up here. And you can see they kind of look like ladybugs. So our friend Staci is going to go ahead and take a bite for us. Go ahead and have some. Is that good? I'm thinking Staci's enjoying that. Oh, thank you. All right, let's say bye.
Bye.